into our homes, but at the same time, we need to protect that technology. We need to protect the latest technology. This is brand new. Take a look at what you're seeing right here. You're gonna plug everything into the CyberPower battery backup surge protected system. Because I want you to think about your TV. How much did you pay for your TV? Maybe it's your phone when you're charging. How much did you pay for that? One power surge, one lightning strike, and it's all done. And it's all out. Take a look at this, where you're gonna be able to plug. You have 8 of the 3-prong, which means it's grounded, and 2 of the USB. You plug this into the wall and all of your devices into this right here, $79.99, brand new to keep yourself protected, right? That new router that you just picked up in today's special, right? All of the new technology that you have, plug it in and protect yourself. It's nice and lean and slim. You can set it, behind something, up on the desk to make it very easy to get to. 854-272. Let's hear all about it. Electronics expert, Lori Leland. Hi, Lori. How are you? Oh my gosh,
I do not know why we haven't had this sooner. This is coming your way from CyberPower.
I know.
This makes so much sense.
Don't we all worry about it? It's in the back of our mind.
Oh,
and
sure.
We don't do anything about it. We just cross our fingers.
Right.
And it's lightning outside, and we go, I should have done something.
Power surges, power outages.
Yes.
This is going to protect your devices, but it also gives you backup power in those emergency situations. And we love this brand. CyberPower, amazing brand. They've been in business and innovating over 28 years. So this is the #1 top leader when it comes to surge protection. So you probably already have this brand in your home, protecting you in other areas. But now this is the big boy. So this is a really nice unit. You've got 8 different grounded outlets here all the way across the top. So you're gonna be able to plug in 8 different things simultaneously. 5 of those items that you plug in, it could be your TV, like you said, which is a huge investment, right?
Oh, right.
It could be your router. It could be your gaming console. It could be a fan. It could be a light. It could be anything. And then when the power goes out, guess what? Those devices continue to run because this is 375 watts of power without power being supplied to it. So it's not only going to protect your devices, it is going to continue to allow them to run if the power should go out. So here's how easy it is to use. Are you ready? You get a 3-year warranty with it. They even guarantee that anything connected to this device, if you get a lightning strike or something in your home, they guarantee up to $125,000 that your equipment is safe and protected. So it's like an insurance policy.
Yeah.
So if you do have those expensive devices, we all have TVs or home theater systems, plug everything in here, leave it plugged in, and then when the power goes out, you are safe and protected. So here's how you use it. It comes with a 5-foot cable that's attached, okay? So you just plug this into wall power. Really easy. Then you've got the 8 outlets, and guess what else you have? This is incredibly unique and rare, especially in this space. You're getting 2 rapid charge USB ports, 2.4 amp USB ports as well. So you can charge your phones, your tablets. So think about this. This could sit on your desk in your office, and you can just have everything plugged into it because it's extra outlets, right?
Yes,
it's extra USB ports.
Right.
Oh, and it's also surge protection. Oh, and it will stay on if the power goes out. So it's all of these things in this one tiny little unit for a fraction of the prices of what you'd pay for something similar to this at retail. So anyway, 5-foot cable, plug it right into power, plug in everything that you want to plug in behind your TV, plug all the stuff in there or have it on your desk or put one in your kitchen, wherever you want it. And then when the power goes out, look, everything continues to run. And all I did was turn the power button on right here. Now there is a double beep indicator, okay, that lets you know that you're on your CyberPower battery if you want to hear the beep. I don't love the beep, so I just double tap and it turns the beep off for me. But if you do leave it plugged in, Ty, then when the power comes back on, everything is just completely running as normal, and it hasn't stopped running at all in those 5 outlets that have the backup power.
That is remarkable. Yeah, that is really brilliant. Not only the protection, but having that backup power with all the things that we're bringing into our home, with all the electronics. We talk about it all the time, right? And, it's not going anywhere. That's just how we're living now. We're plugging a lot of things in. We got smart TVs now that are expensive, but they're worth it. They're lovely. How are we protecting those things? When there is some kind of electrical surge, when there is a lightning storm outside, a lot of us, we're just keeping our fingers crossed. We're just hoping it doesn't hit our home. We're hoping nothing happens. Or when the power goes out, what is your plan? This is something you can do right now. $79.99. You can do this right now, get everything plugged in, not only the 3-prong, which means they're grounded, but also the USB as well. You know, sometimes we don't think about it, Lori, and there are things we don't think about until it's too late.
Right, exactly.
And sometimes, right, this is not one of those opportunities where you can get ahead of it and you can feel good about it. You can have peace of mind and you can say, yes, everything is going through here from now on.
That's exactly right, and you just leave it plugged in.
Just leave it.
Because a lot of us have spent a lot of money, like the 1,000-watt systems, right? Or like over $1,000. This is 375 watts, so this is very powerful. It's gonna power your modem for up to 6 additional hours. It could give you over an hour on a laptop. Maybe you haven't saved your work yet, and the power flickers or surges or goes out.
That's a good point.
Now you can continue your work. I've been in the middle of a very, like a strongly worded email for work, probably. And it was a long, like a lot of paragraphs, and then the power flickers and all of it's gone in a second, in a blip. When you're using this, you just plug everything in and you can continue to work because it stays powered with the 5 of the 8 outlets on this side of the device. So it's really brilliant. But think about this too. You can unplug this and take it somewhere. So if you're just using it always plugged in, you can unplug this. It's only less than 7 pounds.
Right.
You can bring it with you wherever you go. Maybe you're gonna use it in your camping adventure. Maybe you're gonna take it in an RV. It's gonna work in any of those areas. Maybe you need a CPAP machine at night to sleep. This is gonna ensure that you have power if the power goes out. And I will tell you, as the mother of an asthmatic, to be able to give you that nebulizer treatment to my son when he needs that breathing treatment, super important. We've got the little home nebulizer now. Plug it right in that power outage, and now you have power. So it's gonna provide you with not only surge protection, 890 joules for all 8 of the outlets that you see here, but also that backup power as well. And like I said, with the other competitors, you could spend $140, $150 for something similar, not even the power that you're getting here.
Right.
But with CyberPower, they're an incredible company. They've been in business, like I said, over 28 years. They do all their own manufacturing, 7 different facilities, factories worldwide.
Right.
So they're in control of all of the quality. They're in charge of the pricing. So they're in charge of everything to make sure you're getting a great experience at home. And this is just one of those things, because it's already plugged in, you're using it plugged into the wall and plugging everything in, then you don't even have to worry about, you know, charging it. Because what happens with those expensive power banks that are 1,000 watts? If you didn't charge it before the power goes out, then you don't have that backup power.
Then you don't have that.
With this, you're plugging it right into the wall. And I'm gonna show you one more time. So I plugged this in, it's 5 feet cable. You can wall mount it, by the way, set it wherever you wanna set it, behind your TV, on your desk, wherever you wanna put it. So I just unplugged. Fan and lamp are still working. I'm gonna tap the power button right here. So I'm gonna push and hold. So I'm gonna turn this off. Look, everything goes off. So if I don't have my CyberPower on, everything shuts down. But because I've had it plugged in while the power is going out and this simple and easy button turned on and powered on, it means my service will not be interrupted.
There you go. Everything back on. You can see it right there. Okay, here's your item number, 854272. I would jump in and use that QR code there as well. So it is peace of mind, right? All the electronics that we're bringing in, right? And they're fantastic. I love the electronics. I love the TV. Even though it is expensive, it is worth it. That's what we're watching, and the kids are watching their shows and your movies. But one lightning strike, one power surge, and it's all done. You lose all of that. This is a great way to plug everything in, have peace of mind, have that battery backup as well. It's a nice and slim. Look, I'm gonna show you. Look, it's nice and slim. There's everything right on top. Very easy. You could even set it on your desktop just to have a great place to plug everything in, and the rapid charging USBs that you see right there as well. 5 flexible payments on this. So all you're putting down is $16, the shipping and handling, and we're gonna send this right out to you. $79.99, but I think, I'm asked my producer, I think we're getting limited. I mean, we didn't start with very many. 975 left, that's it. 975 of you are gonna be able to protect all of those expensive electronics. And one of those things that I say, you need to have it before you need to have it, right? You need to get it before that moment hits.
So smart. So this is an uninterruptible power supply. It's called a UPS, right? Sounds a little geeky, but when you have this in your home, just know that if you're watching TV and your router is plugged in, you're still gonna be able to watch TV, be on your computer, be on your phone. You're getting 8 outlets. Think about what the power banks and the bigger power stations cost. This is 375 watts with 8 outlets and 2 high-speed USB ports here. Typically, if you're looking at watts of power, it's gonna be, you know, many, many hundreds of dollars. So this is super affordable. My father-in-law worked for the power company for 30 years, Ty. And he said to me yesterday, he said, I recommended CyberPower to everyone, to every single customer, because this makes so much sense. If you have that lightning strike, your TV could be destroyed. This will protect it from damage, guaranteed. And then being able to plug in and charge your rechargeable flashlight, your earbuds, all of these things, because you have the outlets and the power. Even if the power goes out, it just makes you feel so safe and protected.
Yes, safe and protected for all of those electronics, which we're bringing in more and more into our home.
Yes, they're getting so much stuff.
They're very expensive. They're worth it. I love them, but you got to protect them. It's really a small, like $16 a month is what your flex pay is. $16 a month to make sure it's all protected for the next 5 months. 3-year warranty too. 3-year warranty.
Really nice.
This is a really great opportunity right now. 854-272. That is your item number. Lori, always good to see you. Thank you for being here.
Thanks, my friend.
Thanks for being here with us. Have a lovely Friday. 852-272. Oh, while you're over there at hsn.com. Speaking of all of these great electronics that we love so much, take a look at this. Is this a weekly